So in this video is for all NEET aspirants, especially for NEET 2021 aspirants. 40 days remain and you have to remain focused on NCERT. Don't open up things which are not related to NCERT. Don't open up questions which are not related to NCERT. Our focus on neetprep.com has been to keep you focused on NCERT. All the things that are going on are related to NCERT, right? Even the mock test that is going to happen. For example, Sunday mock test, we try and make sure that the paper is based out of NCERT. It should not be unnecessarily irrelevant paper which is not relevant with respect to what you can expect on NEET 2021 date, 12 September. So one thing which we did was, we have been providing you NCERT back exercise converted to MCQs, and all of that has been created into mock tests of 50 questions of physics, 35 section A, 15 section B. So we provided you class 11 5 mock tests covering NCERT back exercise. This is already provided. These are test number 1 to 5. We are uploading it again on NEET Prep Telegram channel. You can go and download it from there. Okay, first thing. Second thing is, now we are also uploading class 12 physics, again subjective exercises which are given at the back of NCERT, converted to MCQs, 5 mock tests. These are also uploaded on NEET Prep Telegram channel. All of this is available on NEET Prep Telegram channel. These are test numbers 6 to 10. These are class 12 14 chapters: electricity, magnetism, optics, modern physics including semiconductor electronics. And important thing, remain focused on NCERT, because there is no time now remaining to waste your time going outside NCERT. Also, you have your mock test on 8 August. Mock test, we will keep it strictly NCERT based. Okay. So this is it. Let me show you how this will look like. So for example, this is mock test number 6. It covers physics class 12, 14 chapters. Every mock test would have questions from all the chapters. First, this is section A, and after that you come to 34, 35. Now section B starts. So do practice them. It will help you revise NCERT quickly. And NTA has been focused on NCERT. They have been communicating. Whatever is not in NCERT is not something from which we will try and frame the questions. So do practice this. I'm not saying the questions are easy, but what I'm saying is, it is important that you practice these questions. Most of the students do not practice it because they think it is subjective question. What is the benefit? Now we have converted subjective to objective. And give me your feedback about this. We have provided it earlier. Was it useful or not? And are you excited? Are you going to do these exercises or not? Right? Chemistry is coming soon. Friday we will try and upload 10 chapters of chemistry, and another 2 lots we will upload the remaining chapters. So best of luck to all of you. Keep working hard, keep fighting hard. 40 days remaining, which will decide what you will do for next 40 years. All right, students.